Creating and customizing a document in Microsoft Word is one of the first sections of the examination. A sample question might be, how do I open a new document in Word? The answer: go to the Office button and select New. The Office button is the circular emblem that's in the upper left-hand corner of the screen that contains the Office insignia. I simply select it and go down to New. Within the examination, you will on certain questions be asked to perform the task, and on others, just be able to describe how to do the task. As a result, it's really important to have a thorough knowledge. I'll select New, and I am now presented with a dialog box. The dialog box gives me a list of templates and a variety of templates that can be found online. To select a template, I go into the center section. In this case, I'll select Blank and then hit Create. The template is now open. To close the template, I would return to the Office button and simply select Close. The document that opens every time we open Microsoft Word is referred to as the normal template. Many people refer to it as normal ... This comes from the document template extension that is applied to every template within Microsoft Word. It's important to remember that the actual document that opens with Word is called the normal template. Once the template is open, I can start typing. Now in this case, I'm typing AN and I forgot to actually capitalize that letter. The minute I hit the space bar, Microsoft Word will correct my error. The feature that corrects your typing on the screen is referred to as the autocorrect options. So where would you find autocorrect options? Once again, back at the Office button. This time though, I'm going to go down to the bottom of the dialog and select Word Options. Now it is a proofreading tool that I am looking for, so on the left-hand side of the screen, I will select Proofing. When I select Proofing, here is where I'll find the autocorrect options. Now we'll discuss these in further length in an upcoming movie. However, for right now, I just want you to be aware of the fact that the autocorrect options exist under the Office button menu. I'm going to select OK, and I'm back on my document. I can continue typing at this particular point and now apply any type of customization that I want to. First example of customization would be to apply a choice from the Mini toolbar. The Mini toolbar is a brand new function that was contained within 2007. I'm simply going to select a right click, and when I do, notice that I see just a small portion of the ribbon. The tasks on this ribbon come primarily from the font menu. They are the most commonly used formatting tools. If I'd like example to be in red, I select the red color and it appears on the screen. I can also immediately go to bold. The purpose of the Mini toolbar is for speed and performance. There are a number of other tools that I can work with. One is called Quick Styles. Quick Styles appears in the Styles menu. Now keep in mind, anytime we want to apply something to words within a document, we must have them selected. At this point, I'm going to go to the Styles area and simply select one of the components. You will notice that the style is applied on the screen. Now I'm going to go to a heading. Notice that it changed. I'll go to the pull down, which tells me there are more styles. Notice as I actually put my cursor on each of the items, it changes on the screen. That's what Quick Styles is all about. Quick Styles is how we quickly apply formatting within our Word document. Another means by actually changing our documentation is to go to Change Styles. Change Styles allows me to choose colors. Each of these colors have been coordinated so that I can apply a heading, apply emphasis, and Microsoft will ensure that my colors are coordinated. Again, keep in mind that we can see the changes as we go right on the screen itself. I can do the same thing for fonts. I can quickly change my fonts on the screen and actually see how they affect my text. Customization is now controlled by Quick Styles, Change of Styles, and our formatting. It's important to be familiar with each of these tools. Now keep in mind also that along with working with our styles, we can still manually change everything. I can go to the font colors and once again be brought to the theme colors that I can select from. The mini toolbar, the styles, and the ability to change styles are all methods of customization. We'll continue with these methods of customization in our next movie.